So in today's video, I'll taking you through the unboxing process of the MX Master Logitech mouse. Now this is the latest mouse by Logitech, following the previous version, which was the MX Master 3. And let's just see what's inside the box. So you have another box just underneath that. So let's go ahead and open it. And the first thing you'll see during the unboxing is the actual mouse itself. This is how it looks like. Then underneath that, you'll have this box right here. So it has the receiver as well as documentation that you will need for your mouse. And yeah, underneath this box, this is just about nothing. So that's all you'll receive during the unboxing. Your receiver, documentation, which you can just go ahead and remove if you ever need it. So here we are. And your Logitech MX Master 4. So if you're curious about the Logitech MX Master 4 and you want more help with tutorials or anything similar to that, then stick around and subscribe to the channel so that you receive a notification whenever we do post a video about this mouse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.